everyone, this is Arnolfo and Inday 13 Bisdak. Welcome to my channel. And for today's video guys, i-update lang namin sa inyo ang second week ng aming munting tahanan na pinagawa naming dalawa. Here we goes. Ito po sila guys. Ayan po, from Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. Yan po ang nagawa nila. Ayan, continuation po ito guys sa munting tahanan namin na pinagawa naming dalawa ni Arnolfo and Inday 13 Bisdak. So ayan po guys, ang update for second week ng trabaho ng dalawang workers. Ayan po, maliit na bahay lang, 410 by 18 lang ang size ng bahay namin. Ayan po, but enough for small family. Ayan po guys. So hopefully this third week we have a roof already, or they can build the roof already. Third week. Ayan. For third week, hopefully may bubong na siya. Can put the roof already next week. Ayan na po guys. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. Yan po. Almost done. So, yan. Ito po yung door, window. 3 windows only. And that 2 doors there. That's for the kitchen and bathroom. Yan po. This is the back of the house soon. So, ayan po guys, ang update natin sa second week ng aming munting tahanan ni Arnolfo and Inday 13 Bisdak. So, ayan guys, for second week of works, building this small house of ours. So, ito po yung magiging bahay namin very soon. Ayan. See, almost done. Nilagyan na nila ng beam. Ayan sa taas. Soon, pag may budget ulit, pwede na naming i-second floor yan. So, that's all for today's video guys. And I hope ayan, malalagyan na namin yan ng roof. Ayan, may roof na kami soon. So, bubong na lang ang kulang for this week guys, and finishing touch. And for the doors and the window, like that. So, that's it guys. Wow! Nice one. So, ayan po guys, ang update namin for second week ng trabaho nila. Soon, very soon, matatapos na. And ayan guys, thank you for all your support, and thank you all my viewers. Thank you very much, and Godspeed.